today I have an order from Urban Outfitters and I'm actually going to be unboxing it. I only got 2 things, but as I've never done an unboxing from this store, I'm going to do it for you today. Okay, so I ordered 2 pairs of shoes and it's come in like quite a big box. I'm actually really excited to open these because these shoes are literally like the best. Okay, so these are the actual boxes, Fila and Skechers. Okay, if you want to slate me for having Skechers, like, you can just leave because these are actually so nice. I don't care about the Skechers. Are Skechers even in? I have no idea, but they're nice. Ready? I really hope these look nice in person because, like, you know how they do on the pictures versus. Oh, okay, these are actually really nice. Oh my god. Okay, guys, comment if you like these. I actually really love these. Okay, these are actually pretty. Okay. Okay, now this off. Okay. What do you guys think? I think they're quite nice. Yeah, I actually really like these actually. I got them because of the green primarily. I do like the green.